Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the results of my hair growth challenge. So this summer I decided to do a long-term protective style, as well as use rice water to see if I'll get this massive hair growth over the summer. So in this video I'm just going to be taking down my braids. I coated my hair with some coconut oil and put a plastic bag around my head, and I put my bonnet on and I let it sit overnight, just so that way the oil could penetrate my hair and that way it'll be an easier takedown. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right now, just me taking down my braids, and then we'll get to the results. So stay tuned. So I'll be using my rat tail comb to help me kind of loosen the braids up, so that way it'll be a lot easier than using my fingertips to try and loosen up the braids. So because I'm definitely trying to avoid breakage or snagging. So as you can see in this clip, I'm just using the end of the rat tail comb to just kind of just loosen up my braid. I'm not using it to, actually unravel the braid. I'm just kind of just putting it in between the braid and just kind of loosening it up a little bit, so that way I could go in with my fingers and just unravel the braids. Also, I will be finger detangling my hair as I take down my braids as well, so that way when I go in the shower to shampoo my hair, my hair won't be a huge matted mess. So the video is sped up just because, if I was to show you at the regular time of me taking out my hair, it would definitely be a long video. So it may look like I'm being rough with my hair, but I'm actually not. It's just the video is just sped up. Okay, so in this shot, I was trying to show you guys more of a close-up of what exactly I'm doing with the comb. So I'm just kind of putting it like, trying to find like a space in between the braids where I could just stick the rat tail comb in between, and then just kind of just push it downwards a little bit to loosen up the braids, and then I just go in with my fingers, and then it just helps me to glide my fingers in between the braids a lot better and just unravel the braid.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Alright, here's what you guys been waiting for. So the results are in. So what I did was I pretty much just stretched out my hair as much as I could, and I measured from the nape of my neck down to where my hair stopped on my back. I didn't measure from my roots to my tips. I didn't measure from my root of my hair to the tip of my hair because I don't know. I felt like that was just too much work. So I just did from the nape of my neck to the middle, to where my hair stopped on my back, and I got 17.5 inches. So I grew about half an inch of hair. I think that was okay. I was expecting like this mass growth, but I do think some of that might have stemmed from this summer. I had a lot going on and I was really stressed out. Like, I graduated this summer, then a week after I graduated I had to move, so yeah, so it was a lot. So maybe like due to stress, maybe my hair didn't thrive as well as I would have thought it would, but half an inch, I'm okay with that. So right now in this next clip, I'm just showing you guys me washing my hair. Well, not literally washing my hair, it was just a little clip of me showing you guys the next phase, which is washing my hair. And then after I shampooed my hair, I went in and put the conditioner immediately after washing my hair. I mixed a couple of conditioners together just because I was running low on all three of these conditioners, so I just decided to mix them together. And then I wrapped my hair up in a towel and I let it sit for about an hour just because I wanted to I wanted the conditioner to penetrate my hair shaft, so that way when it came down to the detangling process, it would have been a lot easier. So right now I'm showing you guys me detangling my hair, and after I detangled my hair, I went ahead and let the conditioner sit in my hair for another hour, and then I just washed my hair and went about my day. So first I started off with this kind of wannabe Demon brush, but I realized I was like, my hair was not prepared for that, so I just put that down and I went in with the white tooth comb, and that's what you see me doing now. And I'm not gonna bore you with me detangling my hair, so I just wanted to show you guys a little clip of me detangling my hair. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for liking my video. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. Or if you guys have like any hair growth tips or suggestions or anything like that, go ahead and leave that in the description box. I mean, not description box, but the comment section as well, because my hair has kind of been stuck at this length for a while, and I need some help. So because I'm trying to get to, like, I'm challenging myself to get down to, what is it, waist length? I'm challenging myself to get down to waist length, so I really want to do that. And if you guys got any tips for that, let me know. So I will see you guys in my next video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.